Hello and welcome to another amazing video. Unlock the door to boundless opportunities and financial freedom with our comprehensive guide on the top 10 best online businesses to start as a beginner, requiring absolutely zero investment. In today's digital era, becoming an online entrepreneur has never been more accessible, and we're here to show you the most rewarding and lucrative pathways to success. Whether you're a passionate blogger, creative content creator, or a skilled freelancer, get ready to embark on an exciting journey where dreams turn into reality. And the sky's the limit in the world of online entrepreneurship. In today's digital age, starting an online business has become an accessible and lucrative option for aspiring entrepreneurs. With a plethora of opportunities available, even beginners with limited financial resources can launch successful ventures with zero investment. This article explores the 10 best online businesses for newcomers, offering valuable insights and guidance to get started on the right foot. Number 1. Blogging. Blogging remains one of the most popular and rewarding online businesses for beginners. It requires minimal investment, with several free blogging platforms like WordPress and Blogger available. By creating valuable and engaging content on a specific niche or area of expertise, bloggers can attract a dedicated audience. With consistent effort and quality content, bloggers can monetize their websites through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, generating revenue and passive income streams. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based online business model where individuals promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through their unique affiliate links. As a beginner, one can join affiliate programs of various reputable companies, promote their products through blogs, social media, or email marketing, and start earning commissions without any initial investment. Number 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to run an e-commerce store without stocking inventory. When a customer places an order, the products are directly shipped from the supplier to the customer. This eliminates the need for upfront investment in inventory, storage, or shipping logistics. Entrepreneurs can use platforms like Shopify to set up their online stores and integrate with dropshipping suppliers to start their businesses. Number 4. Online freelancing. If you possess marketable skills such as writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing, freelancing can be an ideal choice for you. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients seeking specific services. As a freelancer, you can start offering your services with zero upfront cost and build a portfolio to attract more clients over time. Number 5. Content creation on YouTube. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform and offers an excellent opportunity for content creators. With zero investment, aspiring YouTubers can create and upload engaging videos on various topics, from tutorials to vlogs. By consistently producing quality content and attracting subscribers, content creators can monetize their channels through advertising revenue, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Number 6. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a rewarding business to pursue. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, VIP Kid, and Tutor.com allow you to connect with students worldwide and offer tutoring services in various subjects. As a beginner, you can start tutoring with no initial investment, and as you gain experience and reputation, you can potentially increase your rates and reach a broader audience. Number 7. Social media management. With businesses increasingly relying on social media for marketing and brand building, the demand for social media management services has grown significantly. If you have a good understanding of various social media platforms and their algorithms, you can offer social media management services to businesses and individuals looking to improve their online presence. As a beginner, you can start by managing social media accounts for small businesses or nonprofit organizations to gain experience and build a portfolio. Number 8. Print-on-demand (POD) business. A print-on-demand business allows entrepreneurs to design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more without investing in inventory. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble handle printing, packaging, and shipping, while the entrepreneur focuses on creating unique designs and promoting their products. With zero upfront costs, entrepreneurs can start their POD businesses and earn a profit from each sale. Number 9. Virtual Assistant Services. Virtual assistants, EVAs, provide administrative, creative, or technical support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. This role can include tasks like scheduling appointments, managing emails, content creation, data entry, and more. As a beginner, you can offer VA services through freelancing platforms or start your own VA business. With no investment required, this business offers flexibility and the opportunity to work with clients from various industries. Number 10. Online courses and ebooks. If you possess specialized knowledge or skills in a particular field, creating and selling online courses or ebooks can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Gumroad allow content creators to publish and sell their digital products to a global audience. While it requires effort to create high-quality content, once the course or ebook is published, it can generate passive income over time. Conclusion: starting an online business with zero investment is entirely feasible for beginners willing to put in time, effort, and dedication. Whether you choose to blog, become an affiliate marketer, or explore e-commerce through dropshipping, the opportunities are vast and varied. The key to success lies in identifying your passions and strengths, delivering valuable content or services, and building a strong online presence through consistent effort and engagement. With determination and the right strategy, you can turn your online business venture into a fulfilling and financially rewarding endeavor. Remember, success may not come overnight, but with perseverance and continuous learning, you can achieve your goals in the ever-evolving world of online entrepreneurship. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.